Dear students of class 5, welcome to the online class of Raspberry English Medium School. Hope you all are well and good. Our today's subject is English, Unit 17, Lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, and our unit title is Sport. Our learning outcomes of the today's lessons are to familiarize yourselves with different games, to develop language skills, reading, writing, speaking, listening, to make a dialogue and writing paragraph. Let's start with section A. What can you see in section A? Some pictures. How many pictures? 8 pictures. Now look at the pictures and say, what are they doing? Let's say, first one, some people are playing kabaddi. Next, a man is going cycling. Then a man is doing weightlifting. A girl is playing badminton. Some boys are playing volleyball. A man is playing cricket. A man is swimming. A student is playing football. Well, dear learners, from section A, you have known the names of different popular games. Perhaps these games you like most. Okay, dear students, now we are going to introduce some new vocabulary. Would you please look at the word on the slide and check spelling, pronunciation and meaning. Weekends. WWK week, ENDS weekends. Weekends means time when you do not work, a holiday. Next, good at. GWD good, AT good at. Good at means skillful for doing something. Exciting. EXCITING exciting. Exciting means a particular feeling of emotion. Then favorite. FAVOURITE favorite. Favorite means something, someone you like most. Now look at the sentences on the slide with some blank spaces. Please read the sentences first and don't try to fill in the gaps now. Number 1. Anusha likes dash. She likes dash and dash too. Number 2. Bajong likes dash and dash. His brother is very dash. Number 3. Anusha's brother plays dash. Number 4. Bajong would like to learn dash. Number 5. Bajong's favorite sport is dash. Now dear students, listen to the dialogue of section B and fill in the blank spaces of the sentences on the slide. Hello Anusha, do you play or do any sports?
Hi Bajong, I love badminton. I play with my family on weekends. I also go swimming and cycling a lot.
I play cricket and I do weightlifting.
Weightlifting? Are you strong?
Not very, but I want to get stronger. My brother is very strong.
My brother is strong too. He plays kabaddi and volleyball. He is good at sports.
I'd like to try kabaddi. I'd also like to learn how to play volleyball.
Volleyball is exciting, but I like playing football more.
I love football too, but not as much as cricket. That's my favorite sport. Hello Anusha, do you play or do any sports?
Hi Bajong, I love badminton. I play with my family on weekends. I also go swimming and cycling a lot.
I play cricket and I do weightlifting.
Weightlifting? Are you strong?
Not very, but I want to get stronger. My brother is very strong.
My brother is strong too. He plays kabaddi and volleyball. He is good at sports.
I'd like to try kabaddi. I'd also like to learn how to play volleyball.
Volleyball is exciting, but I like playing football more.
I love football too, but not as much as cricket. That's my favorite sport. Would you please check your answers? Anusha likes badminton. She likes swimming and cycling too. Bajong likes cricket and weightlifting. His brother is very strong. Anusha's brother plays kabaddi. Baichung would like to learn volleyball. Baichung's favorite sport is cricket. Now read the dialogue of section B and choose the best option of section D statements on the slide. Let's check the answers. Number 1. Anusha plays badminton. Then Anusha likes to swim. Then Anusha's brother plays kabaddi. Number 4. Baichung does not know how to play volleyball. Anusha likes cycling more than volleyball. Cricket is Baichung's favorite sport. Read the questions about yourselves and get ready for answers. First question. What games or sports do you like? Then, how often do you play or watch that sport? Number 3. When do you play or watch it? Number 4. Who do you play or watch the sport? Let's check and correct your answers. First answer. What games or sports do you like? I love to play cricket, football, etc. Then, how often do you play or watch the sport? The answer is, I play and watch cricket and football almost every day. Then, when do you play or watch it? The answer is, I play and watch cricket and football in the afternoon. The next question, who do you play or watch the sport with? The answer is, I play or watch cricket and football with my cousins and friends. Now read the dialogue and fill in the gaps of section F with the words go, play or do. Read the dialogue again. Write go, play or do before each of the sports. Then write a sentence. Hello Anusha, do you play or do any sports?
Hi Baichung, I love badminton. I play with my family on weekends. I also go swimming and cycling a lot.
I play cricket and I do weightlifting.
Weightlifting? Are you strong?
Not very, but I want to get stronger. My brother is very strong.
My brother is strong too. He plays kabaddi and volleyball. He is good at sports.
I'd like to try kabaddi. I'd also like to learn how to play volleyball.
Volleyball is exciting, but I like playing football more.
I love football too, but not as much as cricket. That's my favorite sport. Number 1. Play badminton. Play cricket. Go cycling. Play football. Play kabaddi. Go swimming. Play volleyball. Do weightlifting. Then write a sentence about each sport. I play badminton. Number 2. I play cricket. I go cycling. I play football. I play kabaddi. I go swimming. You play volleyball. You do weightlifting. Okay, dear students, thank you very much for your so far hard working. You have successfully completed lesson A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, dear students, your assigned homework from this lesson is to write down a paragraph about cricket in Bangladesh and make a dialogue between you and your friend about the game you like most. Well, dear learners, before I finish today, I would like to remind you the major points of the lessons. First of all, you have come to know about the different popular games of Bangladesh. Then you have practiced English language skills, listening, speaking, reading, writing. You have learned to write down a paragraph and to make a dialogue. Thank you all. For the next class, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Rajbari English Medium School. Like our official Facebook page, Rajbari English Medium School. Thank you very much.